so today we have a very cool product. It is a remote control forklift and bulldozer robot. This is a very cool thing here. It's got, like I said, it's remote control, and then you can also program it, and then you can change it out between the bulldozer bucket and the forklift or grabbing claw. So you can have a lot of different uses for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this put together, and then we'll show you all the different functions on how that works. All right, so we have all the pieces out of the box here on our table. We're going to go ahead and use the instruction manual to get everything all put together. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all assembled. All right, so I got my son here that is going to give us a quick demonstration on how the grabber claw works with the robot here. We've got a can of room freshener there that he's going to go ahead and pick up. So go ahead and get everything turned on there, bud. Get everything connected with the remote control, and we'll show how that all works and how to control it. So here's going forward. We're going to pick up the can with the claw. Backwards now. This is our other son. He is 7 turning 8, and he is also able to control the robot. Okay, go ahead, bud. Go forward slow. Lift up the arm. Close over a bit more. Okay, go. Go up, son. Okay, now back up onto the wood. Go forward. Alright, now put your claw down. Then open it up. Okay, now back up. There you go. Alright, good job.